welcome back to my channel. This is Simply Feast and my name is Anisha. Today I have some Asian inspired food. I have some shrimp fried rice and some Indo Mi Goreng ramen. I'm starving as always, so we'll get right into the video. But before we do, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you'll be notified every time I post a video. How y'all doing today? Ooh, good. Sorry guys, remember the other day I told you I was feeling a little under the weather? I'm still feeling a little under the weather. So good. And today I have some more blackberry lemonade mixed with cucumber water. So good. It's like light, refreshing, delicious. Now, I hope I didn't make these noodles too spicy. I'm used to making 2 packs of noodles, but today, ooh, I'm sorry guys. Today, I only made 1 pack, but I put the same amount of spice. So, good luck to me. If y'all are wondering why my noodles look so dry, it's because they're supposed to be. Ooh, sorry guys, I'm a ball of sneezes today. But yeah, so the Indo Mi Goreng noodles are supposed to be dry, like with no broth. So good. I'm so sorry guys. I don't want to keep sneezing in front of y'all, so that's why I keep cutting. Cause my nose is just sniffly. Ooh, it's spicy. Trying to get one of these shrimp. Oops. Oh yeah. I love green onions with my fried rice. I love when they put extra. What are you guys eating tonight? Put it in the comment box below. Ooh. Today I got a little bun in my hair, a little bun. They're so quick and easy to do. And I'm all for quick and easy hairstyles. Whoa. Ooh. Don't you love noodles? Like, who doesn't like noodles? Oh. So good. Definitely spicy. Last time I made these noodles, I put sriracha and red pepper flake on top of like the little chili packet it comes with. Guys, what was I thinking? Y'all see my 2-time noodle challenge? I thought I could do it. I'm like, oh, this seemed like a good idea. Because I love sriracha. And I just thought it'd be a good idea. Wrong. Oh, excuse me, guys. I still ate it, but it was hot. Is there a method to eating chopsticks? I mean, does anybody notice I always be saying stuff backwards? Is there a method to eating rice when you're using chopsticks? It's because I try to talk so fast and I be talking so fast I'll be like mix all my words together. Like I did all that. I'm getting some. This is so good, guys. Like the blackberry lemonade, I think they only have it like from the in my grocery store. I feel like they only have it like a few times in the year, maybe a couple times in the year, because I know for sure that I don't see it often. I'm sorry for sniffling, guys. Ooh. I feel like I've been going noodle crazy, guys. Ramen, Alfredo, macaroni, and then I was gonna get some pho for lunch. I'm like, I need to maybe lay off the noodles a little bit. But pho is so good. So I will be doing a video on pho soon. Maybe next week. Maybe the week after that. But we'll see. We'll play it by how my stomach feels. I used to want to eat a lot of seafood, but which is easy for me to do because I'm a pescatarian. So basically meaning I only eat fish as my protein source. Or besides like beans and other stuff you can get protein from. But yeah, like, oh, that's why sometimes I eat, or not sometimes, a lot of times I eat vegan meat alternatives and like vegan kind of meals, because it's just easier that way for me to make sure it doesn't have like eggs and milk and all that stuff in it. It's just simpler that way. Even when I go out, I try to order vegan, or I just try to order vegan. Because if you say, well, I don't like, because I used to work at a restaurant, so I know that when you just tell them you don't like something, and if you tell them they have an allergy, the different reaction they'll have. Not everybody. There's some restaurants. Some restaurants are very willing to accommodate people. I remember me and my boyfriend and his family, I don't know if I will say I threw him a surprise party. I kind of threw him a surprise party at Eddie V's, which is like a seafood and steakhouse restaurant. And when we went there, there were so, there were so many interesting allergies at our table, and I'm like, please, I hope they don't mess it up. I hope they don't mess it up. But they were really, really nice. They didn't, you could tell, because sometimes I feel like you can tell when a server is irritated. Like if you're like, oh, does it have this in it? Does it have that in it? Can you check if it has this? Da-da-da-da-da. And I try not to be that person. I try to literally use my common sense. Like, don't order macaroni and cheese, you know? Don't order something you know you can't eat, basically. But at Eddie V's, they were very, very accommodating. They actually have a vegan dish, which one of the guests got and he loved. He actually said that he wished he had a straw to drink the rest of the juice that was in the bowl. So I think it's safe to say that their vegan dishes are nice and delicious there. Excuse me, guys. But yeah. So I don't want to say every restaurant doesn't care. Some restaurants. Mm. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. I'm getting full. Maybe because it's double starch. Weird. Guess that's a good thing. But yeah, see, that's why I knew not to make 2 packets, because I had already ate a lot of pasta, and something told me that once I ate the pasta and the rice, I was going to get full real fast. So that's why I only made 1 pack of noodles tonight. Did you guys see that 4-time spicy noodle challenge? No. What's her name? Oh my gosh. Presh. Girl, I'm not gonna butcher your name. But you are one of my subscribers. I watch your videos. You watch my videos. We support each other. You have really cute curly hair. Your name starts with the P. Just don't. I want to say it's like Pry or Pre, but I truly don't like butchering people's names, so I'm not even going to try to butcher your name. But I did see her on her channel. She did the 4-time spicy noodle challenge. Oh, excuse me. Between her and Eat with Q, they both crazy. Because, girl, let me tell you. I thought I could eat spicy food till I start watching YouTube. I'm like, I thought I can't hang. I can't hang with the big dogs. Oh my gosh, remember that phrase when you were a kid? Can you hang with the big dogs? Stepping with the big dogs? Y'all know what I'm talking about. I'm full. I'm sorry, guys. I thought I was going to eat this little bit of rice. I'll probably just, it's not that much left. I'll probably save it for a little snack, a little midnight snack tonight. If you guys haven't had the Indo Mi Goreng noodles, Definitely try them. If you're used to like top ramen and basically like American noodles, this will change your perspective. Like, these noodles are so good. I can't describe them. They're kind of sweet, a little bit spicy. My friend who used to live in Thailand said people eat these for breakfast, actually. Like the Indo Mi Goreng, they actually like make fried eggs and eat them for breakfast. If you ever see the packet, you'll see that on the packet. And I always asked her, like, why do they have like breakfast looking stuff on it? Like, they eat this. But I guess that's why, because they do. I think that's all going, guys. And I'm all full. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. It was nice sitting here talking to you, eating with you. I'll see you guys on my next video. I hope you have a good rest of your day. I'm going to have a good rest of my day. Bye.